Hi there, Carl here from rugspa.ie. Delighted to report that we've just finished a 40-hour clean on two sublime handmade Irish Donegal carpets. We've had these carpets in with us now for about 3 weeks, I think, and these two carpets between them have taken 40 hours to clean, so over a full week's work between just two carpets. The reason for that being the wool density, really thick, luxurious carpet that holds on to a lot of grit soiling, but predominantly we had a lot of stain remediation on the rug directly underneath me. It was placed in the dining room, so we had a lot of tannic staining, some food staining, fairly hardcore staining that needs quite a lot of hands and knees, microscopes, testing, using peroxides, oxygen reducers, solvents, so on and so forth, but very, very slowly and gently so that we don't worry or damage or burst pile on the rugs. So this rug actually 60% of the time spent on the rug underneath. We spent 15 hours on this rug, but about 8 hours of that, 7 or 8 hours, were spent basically doing stain remediation. Very, very gently. We've had about an 80% reduction in stain, maybe 90%. Anything that's left is barely visible and certainly won't be affecting the appearance of the rug any longer. The rug underneath then, wonderful rug with a family crest on it. So we have not only a piece of Irish history, but a piece of Irish history that is bespoke to the family that had the rug made, and it's still in that family, which is fantastic to see. It's a very special piece that we were entrusted to clean. The rug underneath took 25 hours to clean, and again 60%, 70% of that time was spent stain remediating with some dog urine staining. Dog urine, cat urine will actually chemically burn wool, so we got to neutralize that, the uric or alkaline salts. Then we got to move into oxygen reducing to try and get as much of that damage reversed, and then stabilize that so that the rug looks happy again. Transformation of the two rugs has been phenomenal. We're really, really happy with how they've turned out. We've put a lot of time and a lot of effort into them, so it's really nice to see that they're looking happy again, and we're really looking forward to bringing them back to the customer next week, because I believe they'll be very happy with the outcome too. So Carl here from rugspa.ie, based in Dublin. We do service all of Ireland, however, with specialised rug cleaning. Thank you for watching the video.